So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to profit in a down market. Okay, when the market is selling off, how do you profit as a forex trader? I mean, this strategy is more applicable to forex, but I apply the same strategy even to futures. Hello, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. By now you know that I started a challenge last month. Okay, that was February 15, and today, as I'm creating this video, this is March 18, 2025. So I'm documenting my process and I'm sharing with you as my accountability partner, so that will help me to be able to focus and also to educate you on how to do this. However, please, a little bit of risk disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, and all I'm sharing in this video is just my journey, my process, and consider this information as educational purpose only. But in this video, you're going to learn how you can start a small account and grow it. Okay, I did a training called Flipping Mastery. Okay, how to flip a small forex account. You will see the link at the description of this video if you missed that training. So that will help you to master how to flip an account. You can start an account with $10, $50, $100, $500, $1,000. So when we talk about a small account, as I said in my last video, by the way, this is the part 2 of this series. So if you missed the first one, make sure that you watch the part 1. The link also will be at the description of this video. So let's get started.
Are you ready to change your career, or are you looking to make extra income outside what you are currently making? Do you belong to one of these groups? 1. You've been hearing about cryptocurrencies or blockchain technology, but you don't have a clue how to get started. 2. You've been hearing about Forex trading, but you have no clue how to make money with it. 3. You have lost your hard-earned money into crypto sharks or Forex sharks. 4. You are sick and tired of your job and you want your freedom? The Forex Apostle Mentoring Program is the global leader in Forex, stocks, and crypto education. As a disciple of the Forex Apostle, you gain skills that you need to succeed in this new economy. Get more than just extra income. Start living life on your term and at your own design. Join the community of like-minded people working towards the same goal as you. Become a Forex disciple today. Visit www.theforexapostlementoring.com to join us.
Okay, before we start, okay, if this is the first time you are stumbling on my video, okay, or my channel, and you have not subscribed to this YouTube video, just to encourage me to keep producing and creating this kind of a video for you, please smash on that subscribe button, like this video, please leave your comment, and please once again, this is my money, this is my time, I'm risking everything. Okay, yours is just to learn. So please, when you are leaving your comment, be very, very respectful. Just respect, as they say, is reciprocal. So I'm going to be sharing my screen once again with you to share where we are right now, and I'm going to be showing you, okay, the strategy. Some of you've private messaged me talking about, okay, I need to show you. So I'm going to be showing you in this video that strategy, how you can trade when the market is selling. Like right now, for the past 4-5 weeks, can you imagine? The market has been selling crazily. I mean, indices has been selling off, but even though it's selling off right now, as you can see right in this start, this is 400%. Okay, I started this account, as I said, I started with $102.49, as you can see right there, $102.49, and we have doubled this account twice. So my expectation is to double this account every month. Okay, so that's why I call it $100 to $1 million in 14 months. So this is where we are right now. As you can see, we've gained 400.71% in just 4 weeks. I think that is very, very amazing. I mean, that is amazing. And the drawdown, the maximum drawdown so far, as you can see right here, is 37.01. Once again, I'm going to be showing my strategy to you right now, and I will show you my proprietary artificial intelligence EA that I'm using. I built it for myself, but if you need it for you, you can private message me, or you can connect with me on either WhatsApp or Telegram. Okay, so you can see right there the drawdown is 37.01, and the daily return averagely is 5.71. So then we also have a roadmap that we are following, as you can see. So the roadmap is, let's assume that we start, okay, this is that one is okay, so this is it. So let's assume that, okay, if you are following, so we start from $100, okay, so we double the first week, we actually got this. So remember, this is $100 to $1,000 in 14 months. So this is assuming that the first month we double it to 200. How much do I need? I explained all of this in the first video, but just in case you missed that, all I need to do, let's assume we have 4 weeks in a month. So divide 100 by 4, that is 25. So it means I need $25 in a week. So how much do I need in a day? It means I need $5, okay, in a day. Can you see? So can you make $5 on $100? So even if I'm risking 5%, so let's assume I'm risking 5%, so that is $5 to make $5. And by the way, I can risk up to 50% on this account, okay? So if I'm risking $50 to make, $1 or to make this $5, is still a strategy. By the way, this is high risk strategy. Remember, high risk, high reward. So the first month we already covered that, and the second month we have already covered that, as you can see right there. So we've covered the first 2 months are covered. So this is where we are. Okay, so we are trying to take $400 to $800. So that will be the third month, the third month journey, and we are doing that in 4 weeks. So now I'm going to be sharing my strategy that I use, and I believe you have seen this, but I'm going to be showing you the indicator, the expert advisor that I'm using. As you can see right now, the market is selling. Right now I have a drawdown of $124, $124 something cents, right? So let's come back here. As you can see, the market has been crashing. Okay, the market has been crashing, but I have been buying. The market has been crashing, but I have been buying. So now this strategy, why do I pick this strategy? It's a stacking strategy, right? So as you can see, the market is crashing. When Nasdaq starts selling, usually what people will do, or what you are supposed to do, is to sell. But I've discovered that my losses, from my experience, was from selling indices. So I try as much as possible not to sell indices. Instead, I buy indices, because no matter how the market crashes, it's going to go back up. God forbid, the market will not bottom out, right? So now depends on your position sizing. It depends on your position sizing. So if your position sizing is right, you discover that when the market crashes like this down, but I'm buying, I manually close some also as it's going back up. I manually close some. Like as you can see this space, I've closed some trades here. So right now, by the time this market now goes or rally back up, I will be profiting from it. So as you can see, so this is my EA is called TraderBot. Okay, it's called TraderBot, and as you can see right there, I actually have the MT4 version of it. But this one is MT5, and the reason why I like the MT5 is because I can just close the positions, bulk operations. I can just right click and just bulk operations and close profitable positions. Like for instance, if I do this now, it's going to close that one, as you can see. So but I have the MT4 version of it, but I don't have that one up right now. Maybe in my next video, if you remind me, I will show you. So as you can see, so let's quickly take a look at history of Nasdaq. So this is Nasdaq. Okay, this is Nasdaq. As you can see right here, it forms a double top right there. And like what I was telling some of my students, I said this looks like an M shape. Okay, these really look like M shape from here. You see, like up, down, up, down. So it broke the neck here. So with this neck broken, it therefore means that this market can move at least this far down, which I believe we have. So when you look at it on daily, also there's a trend line here, and it's getting to that point right here. So I expect Nasdaq to go back up. By the time I'm creating this video, there's going to be FOMC tomorrow. So hopefully I will be able to close this trade if FOMC, takes a rally up. And if it rallies down, okay, right now the drawdown is $126. What I can risk is maximum of 50%, okay, on this account. So at worst case scenario, if it gets to minus, let's say $250 thereabout, I can close it and I will start all over. It means I'm still within my reach, right? My goal for the first month was to take $100 to $200, and right now we are at $506. Okay, so even though we have the drawdown, then the equity, if I close everything right now, I still have the equity as $378, which is still very much okay. So this is how you trade indices. So if you go back now to 4 hours, okay, this is 4 hours. As you can see, this is a 20 EMA. As you can see, it comes down. So right here, this is where we are also right now. As you can see, this is where we are. We are expecting this. It can come back to retest down, okay, form like a triple bottom or double bottom right here. But then I'm expecting this to rally back up. And this is really looking like, a bearish flag. It's looking like a bearish flag actually, but then there is no way, I repeat, there is no way the economy will allow the market to bottom out. So one way or the other, indices will always go back up. So as you can see, so it's it's dropped. So right now we are forming more or less like a base. I know price action, you say, okay, this is like a bearish flag. This is still going to continue. But let me ask you a question. If the market falls more than this, it therefore means that there's a problem in the States. It means there's a problem with the economy. And even during COVID, we didn't experience this crash. Okay, so I'm going to keep you updated as this trade progress. Hopefully I will be able to show you when I am closing the trade. Okay, hopefully I will be able to show you when I'm closing the trade. All right, so right now I've been manually closing some of the positions, but this afternoon in the next 1 hour thereabout, as you can see, we're going to be having federal funds rate, FOMC economic projection, and FOMC statement. So I expect some kind of a volatility in the next 1 hour. So the position still opening So right now, as you can see, the market came down and I've been manually closing them. So right now we have this opened, I think about 17 positions. So right now we have $529 as the balance and the equity is $476. So hopefully the FOMC report will push it up. But then if the market sell off, which really thinking that's what's going to happen, because if you see right here, this is like a drop, this serves like a retracement, so the market might sell off. If it sell off, then I will start taking it up again. So that's what I expect to do. I don't intend to make this video long, so I'm going to keep you updated. Okay, all right, so this is March 19. FOMC is less than 2 minutes away, so let's see what we got here. So as you can see, finally I manually close all the positions. As you can see, we have just 3 positions left and just $49. Like what I said, when the market was crashing, I was buying. When the market was crashing, I was buying. Now the market came back up and everything, closed positive. So once again, I don't want this video to be too long. I'm just going to close all the positions and disable my algo. So right now we are at $534 from $100. So this strategy is a very high risk strategy, but the moment you know what you are doing and your position sizing is very okay, you will be fine. Okay, so once again, it's been a long day, so I'm just going to stop this video right now, and I hope you get something out of this video. I will keep you posted as we progress in this series. God bless you. I will see you in the next video.